Here I've got the General Mobile GM9 Pro, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. At the very beginning you have to open the phone dialer. Now go to keypad and let's start with the first code, which is *##, *4636 #*#. And here you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. So let's start with the first tab, phone info. And here you can come along with email number, phone number, if you have your SIM card included, then current network, signal strength, voice service, voice network type, data network type, and plenty of other information. Then you can also run a ping test here. Simply click on Run Ping Test, and over here you will locate the solution. Let's go back. Then in user statistics, you can come along with all details regarding your applications. So as you can see, all of them are included here, and you can check their usage time and also last time used. And finally, we've got Wi-Fi info, where you will find Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So let's start with APA, where you will find disable network, disconnect, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. In Wi-Fi configuration, you will be able to locate all configured networks, and then in Wi-Fi status, just refresh it, you will be able to come along with the current connection status. You can also run a ping test here, as you can see over here. Simply click on it, and then you've got the solution over here. Let me go back, and it's time for another code, which is *##, *426 ***. And now we are in Google Play Services, where you can check ping, connect, disconnect, and also events. So these are all the information you can come with after using this super code. And then we will open all the events from the calendar in one place, and the code for that is ***, ***5, ***. And we have no account connected with this calendar, but if you do, then you will be able to come along with all the events, celebrations, birthdays, and all others that you have included in your calendar, so you will not forget about any important event. And then the last code, very useful one, but also the shortest, is *##06#. And this one will provide you with two unique numbers that are assigned to your General Mobile, which are email number and also serial number. Click on OK to go back, and that's basically all. These are all secret codes for your device, for your General Mobile GM9 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.